Good morning everyone, it's my new best friend, Hamish.
Hello, how are you guys? Good?
Yeah, we're awesome. We're going on an adventure today to the Seven Waterfalls. I've got my explorer hat on, which my daughter insists that I wear. And we're going to go and find some secret places. So this guy runs Explore with Long.
Yep.
So give him a follow on TikTok, Instagram is the handle, Explore with Long, right? Cool. So yeah, this is the top guy in Mauritius to show you these amazing places. So we're going with my kids today and my wife on an adventure.
Papa will take some.
So I jumped in, but check this guy out. So that's it, we've finished. What did you think? Good? Thanks to this man.
Genuinely looked after the kids from start to finish, and he gave us the most amazing day and experience. Cannot recommend him enough. Explore with Long, and of course follow us at UK to Mauritius.